Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Monday. So you did it. Midterms are done. Midterm is done for this class. Congratulations. I hope it went okay. I will grade them in the near future and you will find out how you did. But just imagine that model for the final because it's basically the same thing. My tests aren't cumulative, so from this point on till the final is what the content will be for your final. Very similar to the midterm. So yeah, that's about it. So now we're going to move into some interesting stuff. How did those little babies get made? How do they come out? Just interesting stuff. Some of you may have gone through this process with your own bodies. You were you were generated through this process in one way or another. At this point, every human is. I'm waiting for the day that I teach this class and go, well, some of you were born in a petri dish, right? I mean, like that probably is coming. But for now, everybody kind of was birthed. So, anyways, it'll be interesting for you to learn about it. And I hope you have a good time enjoying it. Conception to birth, a little thing you're going to watch, and then the reading and all of that. So, all right. Have a good week, and I look forward to seeing your posts. Take good care.